All right, everybody, Lance from ThetaTraders.com here. In this video, I want to go over a 112/safeguard trade I made on ZS, that is the soybeans. And the actual position I have was 1320, 1310, put debit spread. So I bought the 1320, sold the 1310, and then I sold two of the 1240 puts. Now, soybeans have been down quite a bit, and we're at 1266. So it's in between the sold naked puts and the put debit spread. If you go to the Analyze tab here, just going to press Analysis, right click. Currently, we're right over here in this little dot here, and right in the middle of this big tent here. Now, the issue is if we get down below that 1240, this is where our sold options are. You still have a little bit of a profit zone because you could profit off the put debit spread that we made for the 1320, 1310. But if it goes down to the 1230, you can start seeing a pretty big negative. This orange line here represents the profit and loss currently. So you can see we're pretty much at break even. We're actually slightly negative right now. And then we're going to see what happens if I could change the time period to different days. You just click on the right arrow here if you're on Tasty Trade Brokerage. And then we're going to evaluate. Actually, I was a little bit ahead there. So we're on the 4th. This is right now. So we're showing a slight negative right now. As you go closer and closer to expiration, notice how this orange line is getting very close to the green profit zone and the red. So if we go all the way to expiration right there, we're essentially going to be in that same picture as a green. So got a little bit of downside right here. If the market drops in soybeans in the next few days, it could show a pretty big loss. However, if we stay where we are for a bit, or if we go up a little bit, you want to be somewhere around here on the curve, because then you could be at a slight profit if we're at the 1270, 1280 only a few days from now. And then it could get even higher and higher. Notice how the negatives here will start to move up as you get closer to expiration. Once you hit the 15th, this curve switched quite a bit higher from the 12th to the 15th right there. You have a whole weekend. And then it's supposed to go to green. So as it is now, we're holding it. We're going to see what happens in terms of the tent. Might look at closing one of these two puts if I could at a pretty close to break even, just to lower the notional value of having two sold contracts. There's a chance I might roll these down and out to the next expiration date if I could roll it another 10 or 20 points lower, because I think it's going to have a good chance of recovery. We're near the about 4-month low as well, so good chance it might bounce up. Again, if this was helpful, please click like, subscribe, share this video with others, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a good day.